What's up, guys? So today we get the S22 FE, and today we're doing a battery transplant or battery replacement, and it's gonna be a pretty simple thing because usually on the Samsung phones they're actually not that hard to do. So let's get to it. It'll be pretty. Might be able to do this. Disconnect the battery. I'm gonna disconnect. Careful there on this. But it was open before. And tune in. That goes one, goes here. Y'all. But